Good evening. Just want to take a moment to let you know that I really enjoyed using the Symbaloo tool. It is one that I definitely hope to share in the near future with new teachers and those who are just wanting to learn some new applications to enhance student learning in the classroom. But my Symbaloo creation at the end of EDUC 630 included my favorite websites to build them, like Weebly, GoDaddy, sign up for Tumblr and WordPress. Here I have my favorite shopping stores as well as my favorite alternatives to PowerPoint sites. In this section I have my social media links. Down in the bottom right corner, definitely the blended learning sites which I really love learning about in EDUC 630. And in the bottom left hand side we have all of the different accessibility tools that were presented to me in EDUC 630. And of course here I like to travel a lot, so these are my different places where I go to look for flights and hotel rooms. Thank you so much and have a great day.